Good morning, students. Today we will do some more questions from the Unit 2 lesson I Want. So let us start. The first question is from the topic Let's Share. The question is there are many kind of people. They all look different. One face has been drawn for you. Complete the other faces. So in this, as you all know that everybody looks different. है ना? In your class also there are so many students and everybody is different from the other. All have different faces, like they have different eyes, different nose. So they in this way one looks different from the other. Now you have to draw the faces of these students or these children. The first one has been drawn and it looks like a very smiley face. Rest you have to do it on your own. I will not do this question for you. You yourself will do it. If you have a book, you can do it in your book. Otherwise, you can do it in your notebook as well. So in this way you can do this. You can make a smiley face, you can make a laughing face, a sad face also you can make. In one you can draw big eyes, in the other a big nose. So in this way you can draw different types of faces. In the next question it is let's act. Act means you have to do. Now this is a question in which you do not have to write anything, but you have to act out, you have to do something. So let us see what the question says. Act out the story. Play the parts of the monkey, the wise woman and the mother in turns in the classroom. As this question was about to be done in the classroom, but you all know that this is the time when you are at home, you cannot visit the school, so you yourself will do this part at home. Whatever part you would like to play, you can play the monkey, the wise woman or the mother, any one part, or even all the three parts, whatever you want to. Whatever part you want to play it at home. Ask your parents to make a video of it and send me the video. You can say the dialogues of, suppose you are playing the part of the monkey, so you can say the dialogues of the monkey, you can act like a monkey. The same way, if you are playing the part of the wise woman, you can make a magic wand for yourself and you can talk like her. This way you can play the part of that particular character and ask your parents to make a video and do send it to me. Now in the third question it says, what would you do if you had a magic wand? Now they are asking you about what would you do if you get a magic wand. As in the story, the wise woman had the magic wand and she she gave the monkey wishes. So in this way, what you would like to do? So there are some sentences given here. You have to complete those sentences, which in turn will say what exactly will you do when you will get a magic wand. I would turn it round and turn a book into a. In this sentence it is saying that you will turn the magic wand round and round and you will turn your book into a, you can write whatever you want to. In the answer it is, I have mentioned, I will turn a book into a laptop. Laptop you all understand, or I guess you all must be having a laptop, your parents might be having a laptop. So you can write anything you want to. I am writing here laptop. I would turn a dog into a, you can turn a dog into anything. You can turn a dog into a cat, into a giraffe, into an elephant. I have written here, I would turn a dog into a puppy. In the third sentence, it says, I would turn a pencil into a. Now, in what thing would you like to turn a pencil into? So I have written, I would turn a pencil into a lollipop. You can write anything you want to. In the fourth, it says, I would turn you into a. Now, you have to tell that you would turn the other person, some other person into a. I have written into a robot. I would turn you into a robot. You can write anything you want to. So, in the next and the last question, they are asking you, now write about your favorite animal or bird by completing these sentences. You have to tell about your favorite animal or bird by completing these given sentences. My favorite animal or bird is, whatever your favorite animal or bird is, you can write down its name here. As I have written, my favorite animal or bird is lion. If your favorite creature is an animal, you can write my favorite animal, and if it is a bird, you can write bird. You need not write both these things. Okay. In the second sentence, they ask you, I like it because you can write it anything. As I have written lion, so I am writing, I like it because it is strong. In the third, they are asking you, I don't like it because. In every animal or bird, you can find some things that you like, and there are certain things that you do not like. So in this, they are asking you, I don't like it because it eats other animals. Because it eats other animals, that is why I do not like it. And because it is strong, I like it. In the last sentence, you have to write, I think it looks like. Now, who does it resemble? किसके जैसा ये दिखता है? You have to write it. I think it looks like a tiger. All they look almost similar. The difference is that the tiger has stripes all over his body, but the lion does not have stripes. Rather, it has beard all over his face. And leopard also looks like same somewhat, but leopard has dots. So these are minute differences which we must know. So you can write anything else also if you want to. So do this work at home in your notebook. You will be having 2 to 3 days to complete this work. Okay, so I hope you all have understood. If you have any doubts, you can ask me anytime. Thank you.